Ignored every diversify early real estate guru out there. Seriously, spreading myself thin across different property types right away nearly tanked my entire operation. My biggest breakthrough? Going deep, not wide, especially when I had zero clue. I picked one specific thing: distressed single-family homes needing cosmetic fixes in B- neighborhoods. Forget fancy flips or shiny new builds. Everyone said stick to A-class areas or go big with multifamily first. Total mistake for a beginner, in my opinion. The real challenge wasn't just finding the deals, it was learning the exact formula for that specific type of property. What paint colors rented fastest? Which flooring held up best to tenants? How to screen applicants specific to that area's job market. I developed checklists for everything. Got burned by a bad contractor who walked off mid-job, learned to vet ruthlessly, check references religiously, and structure payments tied to milestones. Had a string of vacancies hit right after a local factory closure, learned the hard way about economic dependency, and started targeting areas with more diverse employers. These weren't failures. They were expensive lessons cementing my strategy. The unique tactic? Aggressively refinancing stabilized properties to pull cash out for the next identical deal, compounding quickly within that niche. Only after truly mastering that system did I use the cash flow to slowly branch into small multifamily. Depth built the foundation, breadth came way later. Stop trying to do everything at once. Pick your lane, floor it, master it, then consider turning.